Please come.
Me?
Yes, yes, you.
I think my mother would be more apt
Yes,
for the
please,
case.
please.
So can I too.
He's going to well take time.
Yeah. I'm,
Pallab. He's the youngest of all
Okay.
and my favorite.
Good.
Mr. Munish Khanna, would you like to say a few words to all your students? Inspiration.
I would just say that I'm feeling very good, very happy. It's a very good moment. And a lot of people say that you've taught them very well. I would say they've learned very well. So the credit goes to them, not to me. And it's their exhibition. We've had several exhibitions and this is the first time where they have independently handled each and everything and they have done it very, very well. So I would ask Rashmi to say a few words, Kamna, and just if they can just talk about their exhibition, that would be very good.
Thank you so much. Well, my works are about the title Seeking Solitude, and I've done my level best to portray that feeling of solitude because that's what I felt when I clicked these words. And Manish is a wonderful teacher. Over to you.
Well, it's been an awesome journey. Please see the darkness and the deepness of the images. I tried my best to capture them with a good guidance and with a good effort of sound. Thank you.
My passion for photography comes with my passion for traveling. So I've tried to capture the culture and the places I've traveled, and Sir has guided me through my journey into photography, and hopefully this continues and gets better over time.
And here we have the student of the year.
So from the movie or reality?
Selfie cam.
And we also have the young photographer.
Yes, the youngest time.
Seeking solitude is like a peace. मैं अपने नेचर में पीस ढूंढता हूँ. ये एक बात है कहने की कि सॉलिट्यूड और सीकिंग ये क्या है. सीकिंग मैं ढूंढता हूँ, सॉलिट्यूड एक पीस है. मुझे नेचर में वो पीस दिखाई देता है क्योंकि मैं चाहता हूँ कि जो पीस मैं देखता हूँ वो और लोग भी देखें मेरी पिक्चर से.
Well, this exhibition is my first photography exhibition, and although I've been clicking for the last 3.5 years, what unique thing is there about this exhibition is Seeking Solitude, which is like what I intend to show in my works is seeking solitude is learning how to look within yourself, and through the medium of photography I've tried to depict my emotions, which I've tried to reflect through my works. In fact, most of my titles are also appropriately done.
I have been interested in photography since childhood, but 5 years ago I decided that I wanted to take it up more seriously. And because I have a passion for traveling, and photography and traveling goes hand in hand, and I've been recently spending more time working on particular projects, and seeking solitude is result of one of them.
Black and white is something very story creative. Black and white, जैसे एक ब्लैक एंड वाइट पिक्चर है उसमें बहुत सारी स्टोरीज होती हैं. अगर वो ब्लैक एंड वाइट है तो कलरलेस के हिसाब से उसमें बहुत स्टोरी होती है. ब्लैक एंड वाइट मुझे इसलिए पसंद है क्योंकि मैं अलग नज़रिए से मेरे ब्लैक एंड वाइट के मुझे अच्छा लगता है. बस आई डोंट नो व्हाई बट आई लव ब्लैक एंड वाइट.
I think in metropolitans, all of us are looking for solitude in some ways, and it's very hard to find. So this is a little bit of our personal take on what we each think of what solitude means for us. And for me, traveling and taking time away from the city is solitude, and it reflects in my picture.
While taking the pictures, the only thing is that photography has brought me closer to myself. It's more like a therapy, and macro is truly my favorite subject because it helps me to know the real me. While I'm clicking, I'm truly one with myself.
Just the first time seeing my works in prints. The first incident when I saw them in prints, it was very impactful. I never thought that it would make such a huge difference. And then of course, having other people see my work and understand the kind of photography I want to do.
My favorite lens is 100mm macro because I can get deep to the stories.
I think what we choose to photograph and what we not and choose not to photograph is very important. And for me, people attract me the most. Their living style, the differences in cultures. So that's what I like photographing is people, places, and a little bit part of their history.
This picture is my favorite work. It's a diptych of two works, blue and red. Blue depicts the cold side, the negative side of a person, and the red depicts the positive side of a person. And I've used macro to show the sleeve, which is there in the center because I'm trying to show that the person is, one has to be at a higher self. And I'm trying to show a higher self of a person through the sleeve. And this is a dead leaf which depicts human, and I like the negative space and the ability of the macro lens to focus on the subject and give a lot of negative space.
I think the more you travel, the more mature your photography becomes, and more deeper your understanding of other cultures. And which in turn gives you a better understanding of your own culture, because as you travel, people ask you questions about your culture when you ask them questions about theirs. So when I come back, I find myself photographing things which I would have ignored usually. And so it's going outside your home sometimes gives you a better understanding of yourself and your surroundings.
My favorite picture is titled Seeking Solitude itself, and basically why I've titled it is that one should learn, what I'm trying to say is that one should learn to rise above your normal human self and take decisions from a higher viewpoint in life. From your higher self is basically what I'm trying to say.
This one right here, the battlefield, is my favorite piece because I think this captures, it freezes emotion, it freezes almost action. So you can see that there's a lot of action, but as it's a still picture, it's still frozen. This, the watercolors, which is a picture of Venice and the buildings reflected in the canal. And I think this is one of the pieces which was very popular.
Not really. Sometimes it makes a difference क्योंकि आपको अलग अलग शॉट्स मिलते हैं. आपको वाइट के साथ वाइट शॉट्स मिलते हैं, मैक्रो के साथ आप और उसमें जा सकते हैं डीप में. Yeah, lens makes a difference, but not that much. It's just about the thinking. Yeah, this is my first exhibition. Experience is awesome. नए नए लोगों से मिला. उसके बाद critics भी, मतलब हर चीज़ का अलग ही नजरिया है. अगर मैंने इस नजरिए में कोई भी पिक्चर ली तो उसमें लोग 100 स्टोरीज बता रहे हैं. This is like a very good thing. Experience बहुत अच्छा है अभी तक का. बड़ी लंबी जर्नी है, ये पहली शुरुआत है तो काफ़ी अच्छी गई है. देखने जाते जाते हैं आगे. पर ये एक्सपीरियंस बहुत बहुत था. लाइफ में बहुत मैटर करता है, नई नई चीज़ें सिखाता है. अच्छा लगा और So my favorite picture is Chain of Emotions. Chain of Emotions. There are twin moods in it. Like the left part is more happier and the right part is sad. Because in the left part we can see more colors. You can see a chain of emotion. You see these hard leaves, you see these yellow leaves, you see them moving. And comparatively to the right side of the picture, it's more dark. So I named it as Chain of Emotions. This is one of the favorite images. Actually my favorite image.
Bhavna has an ability to document travelogues and to take very good portraits. And Pallav is good with nature. I think he's very good with depicting in nature what we don't normally see with the naked eye. Brings us close to the subject.
See, Pallav's work, what I see is man being one with nature. Some of these shots you don't even realize that they're taken so close within Metropolitan, and I think that's what the beauty of these shots are. And with Rashmi's shots, what I find is she finds beauty in flowers, and I think that shows a lot about her personality. She's very detail oriented, and her macro shots have a lot of color and vibrancy, which is, I think, if you meet Rashmi, you realize that they're true to the photographer.
कामना जी का जो वर्क है वो अलग अलग प्लेसेस का है. शी कैप्चर्ड ऑल द कल्चर इन इट. अलग प्लेस का अलग वो. शी इज कैप्चर्ड द रिदम, शी इज कैप्चर्ड द मोशंस इन इट. जैसे इनका एक नैपी ग्रैनी शॉट है. शी इज कैप्चर्ड ओल्ड वुमेन स्लीपिंग. मतलब एक ऐसी वुमेन है जो सो रहे हैं, रिकॉर्डिंग टू हर लाइफ, बिल्कुल स्लोली मोशन में. पूरा काम उनका मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. और ये अलग अलग प्लेसेस के बारे में ट्रैवलिंग करती हैं और बहुत चीज़ें इनकी पिक्चर्स में. जैसे एक रेज ऑफ होप है जिसमें आसमान है पूरा, उसमें से आपकी रेज निकल रही है, तो इट गोज लाइक रेज ऑफ होप. पूरा समुद्र है आपका, उसमें एक सीनरी है. उनका जो वर्क है बहुत ब्रॉड है. ट्रैवलिंग इज़ लाइक passion for her that I can see in her pictures. So Kamna is like awesome in traveling. रश्मि मैम का जो वर्क है वो बहुत आर्टिस्टिक है. शी इज़ मोर इनटू मैक्रो एंड नेचर. तो जो मैंने उनके काम में देखा था वो बहुत आर्टिस्टिक है. इट ब्लेंड्स इनटू द नेचर. उसमें से बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग आती है कि यार we get fresh, we get cool while looking at these at a picture. And as a person, she is very nicely cooperated as she can. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा मैं cooperate कर रहा. She come every day. It's amazing working with her. As a first exhibition also, it was amazing. This is like my kind of thing. This is like my kind of thing. Yeah.
Music.